Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You have the video ready. Start now by confirming its folder and size so you pick the right compression method. Open your chosen app, Finder/Explorer or 7-Zip, and navigate directly to the file. Once there, select the video you want to include and choose the Add to Archive or Compress command. Make sure to name the archive clearly and pick a destination folder. Doing this ensures a clean, predictable zip and avoids accidental overwrites while you continue to configure options. Now configure how the archive is built. Choose a compression level, store if speed matters, or maximum for smallest size. Video often compresses poorly, so expect modest gains. Pick Zip for universal access or 7Z for extra efficiency. If you must send large files, set a split volume size like 100 MB or 1 GB to match email or drive limits. If privacy matters, add AES 256 encryption and a strong password. Once settled, finish by verifying the archive, extract to a temp folder, or use the archive tester to confirm all files are intact. Once verified, share the zip by upload, USB, or attach to service. Include the extraction password and instructions if you encrypted it. If recipients report problems, rerun an integrity check and compare file sizes or checksums. If corruption persists, recompress with a different tool, reduce split size, or transfer via a more reliable channel. This usually fixes most transfer and extraction failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.